Question 3. In an AP, first given A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, AN is equal to 50, find N and SN. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 50 is equal to A pi plus N minus 1 into D is 3. 50 transfer pi to left hand side with minus pi is equal to N minus 1 into 3. 50 minus pi subtraction 40 pi, transfer multiple 3 with divisible 3 is equal to N minus 1. 3 1s are 3 15s are 15 transfer minus 1 we get plus 1 is equal to N. 15 plus 1 16 is equal to N. Second example, given A is equal to 7, A 13 is equal to 35, find D and S 13. A 13 is equal to 15, A 13 means A plus 12D is equal to 15. A is 7 plus 12D is equal to 15. 12D is equal to 15. Transfer plus 7 with minus 7. 12D is equal to 15 minus 7, 8. D is equal to 8. Transfer multiple 12 with divisible 12. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12 is equal to 2 by 3. Sn is equal to N by 2 into bracket A plus L. S13 is equal to N is 13 by 2. A7 plus L is 15. 13 by 2 into 7 plus 15 22. 2 1s are 2 11s are 13 into 11 143. Third example, A12 is equal to 37, D is equal to 3. Find A and A10. A12 is equal to 37. A12 means A plus 11D is equal to 37. A plus 11 into D is 3 is equal to 37. A plus 11 3s are 33 is equal to 37. A is equal to 37. Transfer plus 33 we get minus 33. A is equal to 4. Sn is equal to N by 2 into bracket A plus L. N12 by 2. A4 plus L 37. 2 1s are 2 6s are 6 into 4 plus 37 41 is equal to product 246. Fourth example, given A3 is equal to 15, S10 is equal to 125, find D and A9. A3 is equal to 15, A3 means A plus 2D is equal to 15, equation number first. Sn is equal to N by 2 into bracket 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Sn 125, N10 by 2, 2A plus N10 minus 1 into D. 2 1s are 2 5s are 125 transfer multiple pi with divisible pi is equal to 2A plus 10 minus 1D 9D. 5 1s are 5 25s are 2A plus 9D is equal to 25. Equation second. In first number equation A coefficient to A coefficient 1. Then equation first multiply by 2 and subtract equation first from equation second. Equation second, A plus 9D is equal to 25. First equation multiple 2, we get 2A, 2D into 2, 4D, 15 into 2, 30. Sign change. Plus 2A minus 2A cut. 9D minus 4D, 5D. 25 minus 30 minus 5. Divide 5 both sides. D is equal to minus 1. Example 5. Given D is equal to 5, S9 is equal to 75, find A and A9. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S9 is equal to n9 by 2, 2a plus n9 minus 1 into d pi. S9 is equal to 9 by 2 into bracket 2a plus 9 minus 1 8 into pi. 70 pi is equal to 9 by 2 plus 2a plus 8 pi is 40. 70 pi is equal to 9 by 2. 2 common. 2a divide 2a. 40 divide 2. 20. 2 cut. 70 pi transfer multiple 9 with divisible 9 is equal to a plus 20. 3 3s are 3, 25 is 75. 25 by 3 transfer 20 with minus 20 is equal to a. 25 minus 60 by 3 is equal to a. 25 minus 60 minus 35 by 3 is equal to a. A9 is equal to a plus 8d. A minus 35 by 3 plus 8 into d is 5. Minus 35 by 3 plus 8 pi is 40. Cross product minus 35 plus 3 into 40 120 by denominator to denominator 3. Minus 35 plus 120 85 by 3.